Hello, everyone. Welcome to this presentation. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. We really appreciate for taking your time to watch and give us your feedback. We don't take it for granted. All right. So in this lesson, we want also to announce to our followers from the Republic of Zimbabwe that we started uploading videos to help them. That is the Zimbabwe School Examination Council, past papers, and any other information. For both the O levels as well as the A levels. Okay. In this paper, we want to look at the GCE exam, which is ordinary level mathematics. The code is 4001/1 because it is paper 1. Okay. That's what we want to look at. The ordinary level. Okay. Which was written in June 2023. The GCE. The General Certificate of Education. Okay. Now you must know that you're supposed to write this exam in 2 hours, 30 minutes. And also that you as a candidate, you must answer on the question paper. So the question paper is your answer sheet, right? Question paper is your answer sheet. Okay. All right. But what's the most important thing is I think it is this this instruction. This one. Okay. This one and that specifies the degree of accuracy. That decimal numbers which are not exact should be given 3 significant figures unless stated otherwise. That one you need to know. Also, and mathematical tables, slide rulers and calculators should not be brought into the examination. No. Yeah, I think that is sufficient. That is sufficient. All right, let's look at the first question. It is a matter of emphasis. Answer all questions. Neither mathematical tables, nor slide rulers or rules, no calculators may be used in this paper, right? Now, 1A explains 5,454, or 0.497 to the nearest 10. The nearest 10. What do you mean? So after this comma, I'm going to 10th here, then you cut the line and consider the next number. Now, the number is greater or equal to 5, it is taken to 1. Otherwise, you take it as 0, meaning if it is less than 5, take it as 0, but you must add it to the preceding number here. In this case, 4 plus 1 now, the 5. Applying therefore that, our answer is 54,5 or points. Okay, so you're supposed to write your answer here, 54,5, and you get 1 mark for that. I hope that is fine. Okay, let's look at the next one. Yeah, so we express this number in standard form. So standard form means it simply means we must express a number in this form, all right? Where 1 should be less or equal to A, and this should be less or equal to A, and this should be less or equal to 9 in that range. Now, when you look at this, this number here before this comma or point is less than 0. So you must push the comma or the point up to where you immediately find a number that will be greater or equal to 1. I'm going to say 1 is 2 is to be less, 3 is to be less, 4. So 3 is greater than 1 and less than 10, which is okay. So we are going to say 3, 2 times 10, the power. Now the question is, how many steps have we taken? We've taken, we can really count together. No, we can just count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be power. And now, where are we taking this comma or 0 from the left-hand side? So the answer will have -4. And this is your answer. Also right here that this is 3, 4, 2 times 10 to the power negative. And that's that. There's no way they be able to fail the exams. Okay? The ADS SEC exam. They are as easy as the way they are. Let's move. Now, we express this to 3 significant figures. So when you count, you discover that you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 significant figures. So now we need 2. So start counting from our left-hand side. 1, 2. Then we'll chop a line here and consider this next number before a comma. Since there's only 1 digit, we need to know before a comma. We must add the 1 0 before. Now we are going to take this 8 as 1 because we've said anything greater or equal to 5 is 1. Less or equal to 4, you take it as 0. After flipping off your line like that, drawing your line. We are going to take this 8 as 1, and this 1 will be added to 7, it will be 8. So we are going to have, this will imply that we have got 4, 8. And now, because you have got a digit, 1 digit before the comma, we'll add this. And this is your answer, right? If you're going to say comma or point, 0, 0, 0, the last 3 0 will be significant. Hence, you have about 6 significant figures, different from the instruction or what the question demands. I hope that is fine. Okay, please continue subscribing with your friend Zimbabwe so that you're able to get more videos. There'll be a lot of videos that will be uploaded. Okay, let's move on. Simplify, giving the answer as a common fraction in its lowest terms. By lowest terms, we mean we express it to a level where you cannot simplify it further, we cannot it further. All right. Now, there are a lot of methods of simplifying fractions. But if you have a problem, you can just multiply these two. All right. You can multiply 7 times 3, meaning that 7 into this product is 3. Or after doing that, you just multiply this. So you multiply 2 by 3, plus 7 times 1. Okay. What does this give us? Gives us 6 plus 7 divided by 7 times 3. This will give us 13 divided by 21. And we cannot simplify this further, so that is our answer. All right. Let's carry that's what to do. Let's carry that's what to do. Move on. B. So we are saying 2 divided by 5. Divide everything by 10. Now 10 is the same as 10 over 1. Okay, just a minute. Okay, let's proceed. So we have got 2 divided by 5. The best way of multiplying, dividing fractions is by multiplying them. It's easier that way. So you have got 1 divided by 10, right? So where possible, you can reduce, or you can say this is 2 times 1 divided by 5 times 10. Okay? So this implies that you can divide 2 into 2, that's 1, into 10, that's 5. So therefore, you have 1 by 1 is 1, divided by 5 is 25. And that's your answer, 1 divided by 25. Okay. How about this one? Right, so we can see if at all we can reduce that. If at all we can reduce this. We have 18 divided by 35. Okay. By 14 divided by 27. Okay. So maybe we can pick, maybe we can cross check. Maybe this with that. We find the highest number that can divide into this. I think we may get 9. 9 here would be 2. Okay. 9 here would be 3. All right. Then, okay, let me just write. So we have 2 divided by 35 times 14 divided by 3, right? So again, we can close check. We can cross check 14. So we may divide by 7. 7 here is 2. 7 here, that's 5. All right. Therefore, we have got 2 times 2, 5 times 3. Okay. And when you work out that, what do you get? 4 divided by 15. That's your answer. When you multiply 2 by 2, it's 4. 5 by 3, it's 15. The answer is 4 divided by. All right. Evaluate giving the answers as exact decimals. So I've got 0, 0, 2, 4, 5, 0, so in this case, what you can do, just multiply 24 by 3. You can ignore the zeros first. Okay. So 3 by 4 is 12, so we take 2 carry 1. 3 by 2, that's 6, plus 1, plus 1, that's 7. Okay, now we can verify the number of decimal places we have got here I've got 3, and there I've got 1, so there should be 4, meaning that we are going to add the zeros here, 2 zeros, so that we can have 4, then a 0, because you add there, then there's a point. It means these are just zeros, these two still have 7, 2. All right, so this is a point or a comma, so you don't need to struggle. So the answer is 0.72. So the first thing is just isolate the numbers, multiply them, take note of how many decimal places are there, then add them. Okay, you add them. I hope that is okay. Okay, we can move. So it's the 0.0072. The other one is here. 0.4 to the power 3. This is the same as 0.4 by 0.4 by 0.4. So you can work out 4 by 4 by 4. You know, 4 by 4 is 10 by 4 is 64, right? Now you must check how many decimal places we have. 1, 2, 3. So, but we have got 2 digits. It means we must add another 0 here so that there are 3, and like that, comma or a point, and that's your answer. 0.064. All right. I hope that is fine. That is okay. The other one is express 0.224 as a percentage. All right. So we can introduce a dummy number, which is a 1. It has no effect. Then identify the number of decimal places that we have with the number that we've been given. So there are 3. So you get rid of the decimal point, or this comma, we multiply by 1,000. So I've got this even down here, because this has no effect. It will cancel out and you still have 1, right? So now, when you multiply 0, 0.224 by 1,000, so you just multiply the number. So 224 by 1 is 24. Now, because there are 3 zeros that we've left, we'll add them. Now, our answer should have 3 decimal places. So you have 1, 2, 3. So it will take you to 1. We have got 224 divided by 100. Divided by 100. Actually, 1,000. I hope that is fine. 224. We divide it by 1,000. I hope that is okay. Okay. So now, we can try maybe to use a number that can divide into 2.4 and 1,000, right? Okay. Maybe we can even use smaller numbers, right? In 2, okay? Even 2. 2 into 124 is 112. Then 2 into 1000 is 500. All right. Then we can still maybe try to divide by 2. Okay. We'll get 56 divided by 250. All right. Yeah. Even again, divide by 2. When you divide by 56 by 2, get 28. Then you divide 250 by 2. Okay. Excuse. Okay. What do we get? 250 by 2. Okay. What do we get? Get 125. Get 125. Okay. Then can divide into 2 is a 1. 5 is a 2, remember 1 into 10. You have got it 5. So you get 125. I'm taking my time so that you can find. Okay, so basically that is how we are supposed to express that as a percentage. Okay, and the number of decimal places that you have, there are 100, you multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 100. Okay, then check if at all we are able to reduce the numbers where possible. Okay, check if at all we are able to reduce the numbers where possible. I think we can move on. Okay, I think we can move on now. Okay, move on to the next question. All right. The universal set has got these numbers 75, 76, 77, up to 80. M, the set of even numbers. So the even numbers are 76 because when you divide by 2, get an exact answer. All right. Then we have got here 78. Okay. 78 and 80. Okay. Then the multiples of 4, we make numbers that 4 can divide into exactly, right? And it is 76. Okay, so we have got 76. You have also what else? 80. Okay, you have 80. These are the multiples of 4, 76 and the 80. Okay, so before you even answer, it's better you interpret the sets themselves, list them. Even if they have not asked you to list, try to list. All right, try to list. Try to list. Okay, it's very, very important. Very, very important. Okay, very, very important. So we've managed to list, implying that for this one, we have 76. Okay, let's write it nicely. M, 76, 78, and 80. And that's our answer. 76, 78, and 80. List the elements of that set R, said 76 and 80. 76 and 8. Okay. Then we need find the number of elements in M complement union R. So first we can compute M complement, meaning that any numbers that are not in N are in the inverse set. So we want 75, right? 77 and 79. 75, 75, 77, and 79. And 79. Then we have our set R. That R is 76 and is 76 and 70, 78, all right? And 80. Implying that M complement on R will rearrange these elements in one set, provided they are not repeated. 75, 76, 77, 79, and 80. All right. So that is our set. 25, 76, 77, 70. How many are there? 2, 4, 6. How many do we have in this set? 2, 4, 5. 75. Okay, there's one that is missing, which is 78. But this is our answer. No. This is just the set. Now, the number of elements in M complement union R, we need to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 elements. So here the answer is 5. The answer there is 5. So that's where we end for this presentation. Please, thank you for subscribing. Here with your friends there in Zimbabwe. And look out for more videos, both O levels and the A levels. It has been appearing, all right. Contact us on 0978 56 58 76. Mr. Mbondo. 0978 0979 73809. Please, you can also subscribe to our new channel. And phiri, you will find these videos of. Okay, till next time, look out for more videos from question 5 up to question 23. Okay, time, bye.